Hi friends, welcome to my channel Agri Achievers, a smart way to success. And we are going to see now agriculture current affairs of March 2020, which are covering important current affairs which are coming to the probability to come into the examination. Okay friends, let's start the current affairs which are related to the agriculture only. 32 projects sanctioned spread across 17 states under unit scheme of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, and the committee chaired by Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Union Minister of Food and Processing Industry. Here the bit is 32 projects has sanctioned in 17 states under the unit scheme of PMKSY Kisan Sampada Yojana. 32 projects are started in 17 states. Okay friends. The 11th KVK Conference 2020 held in city New Delhi. The KVK Krishi Vignan Kendras, which are started in 1974 in Puducherry of Tamil Nadu. Right friends. The conference 2020 held in which city? It's in New Delhi. Here is the SpiceJet Airlines launched freight services to help shrimp farmers. Shrimp means shrimp cultivation is going on, and for the transport of further shrimps, freight services. Freight service is nothing but a courier services of shrimps. Is started by which airlines? It is SpiceJet. PM launches. See, Prime Minister launches 10,000 FPOs. This is very trending word nowadays. Farmer producer organizations, which is carried out by NABARD, FPOs all over country at Chitrakoot, Uttar Pradesh. FPOs will provide small, marginal and landless farmers access to agricultural inputs and marketing help for selling products. The center will provide fund of rupees 15 lakhs to each FPO. See friends, here the important question. Prime Minister launches how many FPOs? 10,000 FPOs. And where? Chitrakoot, Uttar Pradesh. All over the country, Prime Minister launches 10,000 FPOs. Okay friends. And it will providing center, it is nothing but central government is providing how much finance? From 15 lakh rupees of finance to each FPO. It is not a small amount. For each FPO, 15 lakhs finance is provided by fund is provided by central government. And for setting up of 3 FPOs in Mandi of Himachal Pradesh, NABARD has sanctioned 35 lakhs. As we studied previously, 15 lakhs per each FPO. And here 3 FPOs were started in Mandis. Mandis is which are we are learned in ENAM scheme. National Agricultural Marketing Scheme, we call the marketing points as mandis, and in that 3 FPOs was started in Himachal Pradesh. For that, as per the fund sanctioned as NABARD, as rupees 35 lakhs was sanctioned. The Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. This is an important question. Who is the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? Narendra Singh Tomar, and he inaugurated the Pusa Krishi Vignan Mela. Pusa Krishi Vigyan Mela 2020, which is held at New Delhi. 3rd March, we know that what is the importance of the 3rd March friends? World Wildlife Day, and the theme for that World Wildlife Day is sustaining all life on earth. That means we have to protect everything. Each and every life is important in the earth, so sustaining all life on earth. Tata Coffee Limited. Tata, we know that brand very well, that Tata is because in this COVID situation he given the most fund, and everyone praised him in the social media, that Tata company. Yes, Tata Coffee Limited on March 4th announced the launch of its e-commerce platform on the name www.coffeesonnet.com. Tata Coffee Limited launched this website, that is e-commerce platform. That means we purchased coffee from this website. Here, Uttar Pradesh government to pay rupees 9,000 per month to farmers willing to keep stray cattle at their houses. If a farmer is willing to keep stray cattle, that means cattle in their houses, then Uttar Pradesh government give an incentive of 900 rupees per month to that farmers. Here NABARD infused rupees 1.46 lakh crores in the rural banking system during current fiscal. Here the important thing is now, because of this IBPS RRB exam is nearer to us. This current affair is very important. 1.4 lakh crores was infused by NABARD in rural banking. Rural banking is nothing but rural regional banks. Okay friends, rank of India in Global Animal Protection Index 2020 is 2. See friends, we are Global Animal Protection Index. We are protecting animals very well. So in that index, India got second rank by protecting animals. The government has changed the premium subsidies sharing pattern between center and north eastern states from 50:50 to 90:10 for PM Kisan Samman Nidhi and restructured weather-based crop insurance scheme. As we know that Prime Minister Kisan Samman Nidhi, which is a pension scheme for the farmers, in which if a farmer has to pay the premium and doubling that premium the government has to pay, that is 50:50 in all the remaining states. But in the states of northeastern states, which are known as northeastern states, are Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, which are in the northeast, for those states the central government has to pay 90% premium and 10% only sub premium is paid by the farmers. And these are the important days friends. 20th March, which is Old Sparrow Day, and theme is I Love Sparrow. And here 20th March, World Happiness Day is also celebrated on that day. And here, don't confuse here, 21st March, International Day of Forest, and theme is Forests and Education. 22nd March, World Water Day, and theme is Water and Climate Change. And 23rd March, World Meteorological Day, and theme is Climate and Water. Okay friends, remember these things, these important dates and themes also. The themes also are also asking in the examinations. Here, central government allows states and UTs to lift food grains for 3 months in advance from Food Corporation of India for Public Distribution System scheme. That means central government has given the permission to all the states and union territories that we, as per the ration, the rice and wheat are collected from the Food Corporation of India to the states, and they can lift the food grains for 3 months in advance. That means if you are giving food grains in December, previous to December, that is 3 months previous to December, that is in October, we have to lift the food grains and take the food grains from FCI in advance. MGNRE Manegra. As we know that Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Act. See friends, it is an act. Okay, it is an act. Has raised its wages to 11%. Here is the important point. How much percent wages are raised? 11% from rupees 180 to rupees 202 for 2020-21. Because of this COVID situation, this action was taken and 11% wage is increased. The question is always asked, you think that the question is asked 202 rupees, but the question asked here is 11%, is very important question. How much percentage is raised, he asked, and that is 11%. Solvent Extractors Association, SCA, full form of SCA is nothing but Solvent Extractors Association, has started a mustard mission with the aim to boost India's rapeseed production to 200 lakh tons. They have started a mustard and rapeseed mission. What is the aim of that mission is they has to increase the production of mustard to 200 lakh tons. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.